US crude rose till above 80.6, which I mentioned as a good resistance, failing to sustain. It has now erased all the gains and back now at critical support levels at 79. Likewise, NG2 has traded bearish, yes, but failed to breach till towards 2.45 and 2.4 levels. So now what to expect today? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. First, we look into crude oil, followed with NG. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully, and also do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the latest analysis. The next update for US crude will be released before the US session and before the CPI inflation data. So do watch that also today. Let's start and let's begin with the US crude first. Now if you look closely at US crude, higher highs, and see, first of all, this drop which took it below 78.8 and recovered. Remember 78.8, I have told you yesterday, again I am telling today. Yes, you can sell at 78.8, but then be watchful, and 78.8 is certainly a good support. Now see, this is the strong bullish candle, and since then it is trying to trade sideways. It has shown bullishness, but you can say erased all the gains now. And now look at the hourly charts more closely. See, first base here, now it is trying to create higher bases and it is trying to show you higher lows. Higher lows means that it is still trying to trade bullish. Yes, for the day you can buy, you can see, you can buy at 79.6, but remember again I am saying 79.8, 80, 80.2. Till 80.2 levels you have to be watchful. Beyond that 80.6, and then beyond that it may take the prices still towards 82. So till 80.2 we have to be watchful specifically today. Yes, keep booking at every 20 cents and keep re-entering if you see it in the same direction, or put a trailing stop loss with the 20 cents move. Now on the downside, see, certainly I will be looking forward for those 79 levels, and then below 79 levels, see, you can initiate a sell entry, but then till 78.5 and then 78, these two levels, the next levels which are going to be a good support. 78.8, 78.5, 78. Be watchful of those on the downside. Let's have a further detailed look. Directional movement here is bearish. Stochastic is oversold and it is trying to recover on the early charts, which may see oil either trading sideways or with a little bullish bias. The MACD is bearish here, it is divergent, but see, it is, the candle size has flattened, possibly indicating a conversion crossover or bull reversal from here. RSI trading flat here, and if you look at 2-hour chart, likewise on the 2-hour charts, higher highs, higher lows, exceptional of this breakout. Yes, it is trying to recover again, and hence beyond 79.6 you can initiate a buy, but every 20 cents keep booking profits till 80.2. Once it trades beyond 80.2, it will show you little more bullishness. We may see 81 levels and 82 levels. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic is back to oversold levels. The MACD is divergent and bearish. Remember, on the 2-hour charts it is bearish, it is looking down, it is divergent, and hence we have to be cautious here. RSI trading flat. Now look at 3-hour chart. See, on the 3-hour charts, this is near term bullish. The 20 and 100 period crossover has happened. The 50 and 100 period crossover is happening here. This is indicating near term bullishness. Now also it is taking support from the bottom of the 20 period moving average here, which means only sell entries below 79, and then you have to be watchful till 78, 77.8 and 77.4 levels. Or if it continues to drop on the downside, 77.8, 77.4 levels, very strong support exists there at 77.4. Directional movement bullish, stochastic dropping here sharply on the downside. The MACD is divergent and bearish. You can see it is looking down here on the 3-hour charts, and this crossover is happening at a little higher level. This is divergent. This appears that we may see little bearish. So 2-hour charts, 3-hour charts on MACD are indicating bearishness. RSI has seen a little drop here, and if you look at 4-hour, now if you see the 4-hour chart, see the head, see the shoulder, and on the 4-hour chart this is indicating head and shoulder on 4-hour chart. At the same time, the bottom is pretty much intact. You can see these candles here are pretty much at the same levels, and still we have to be little cautious, as there is a possibility till the time it trades below 82.6 should not be considered a bullish. So US crude trading below 82.6 should not be considered for a bullish move. Beyond 82.6 only we can see little bullishness. That is clear here. Now look at the 4-hour charts here. Also higher highs are seen, almost flat bottom or lows are seen there. This is 20 period moving average at 79, 78.8. Yes, you can sell there at 79. You can wait for 78.5 levels and then 78.2, 77.8. See, first support at here at 77.8 and then 77.4. Remember these two levels only below which we can consider that oil is trying to trade bearish, else you can still see rise, retracement. So it is taking the support from the 20 period moving average. Hence you have to be watchful of 79 there. Also look at the last three candles here, lower lows, and see this candle not showing any signs of bearishness. So once you see it trading above 79.6, you can buy for 79.8, 80, 80.2, and beyond that we can see it trading bullish. Directional movement divergent and bullish here. The stochastic has seen a good drop. The MACD you can say has crossed over on the 4-hour charts. It has crossed over on the highs there and it is trading with divergence. This is a bearish indication, but see, this is happening at a little higher levels. Possibility for it to drop a little exist here. RSI looking down here. Now look at daily chart. See, on the daily chart, certainly I have told you several times, it is taking the support from the long term trend line, and precisely this time again oil has tried to get the support from those levels and try to recover. Now if you look at the daily chart, see, it is still trading in this sideways bullish channel and it is not yet breached any which ways. Also if you look at the charts and the movements, you can see 2050 period, 2050 100 period moving average in this zone itself. It is trying to, yesterday after long time it has breached the 100 period moving average also, but failing to sustain here. And now see, on the downside 78.5, 78, these levels to be breached, and then specifically below 77.4 only we can consider that there could be little drop. And that is one observation. Second, on the daily chart, see, higher highs, lower lows, the pivot somewhere here 79.8 levels for this, as it's a $2 move. So for the day, yes, you can sell. If you see it trading below 79, you can expect 78.5, 78, and below that only bearishness will be confirmed. On the upside, you can buy at 79.6, but then till 80.2 every 20 cents you have to keep booking the profit. See, on the daily charts it is still bullish. The stochastic is overbought on the daily charts. The MACD has crossed over and this is looking upward. This is trading bullish here. RSI looking upward. So on the daily charts it is still got the little bullishness intact. Considering this, sell at 79, buy at 79.6, largely till 77.4 on the downside and till 80.6 on the upside. In fact, even if it tries to break past 80.6, 82.6 is something which it has to pass by, then only oil is to be considered for a bullish reversal. Till then, you have to enjoy the things. You have to keep trailing your stop losses, sell at 79, buy at 79.6. Now let's have a look at natural gas. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 20th batch starts in first week of March. Reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals group, trading as per my signals, and definitely we can profit together. Now look at the early charts for NG. Yesterday I told you only bullish, only buy entry is about 2.64, 2.66 levels, beyond which only we can expect that NG has reversed, and then you can expect 2.7, 2.8 levels. Also on the long term, 2.83 zones is something which it has to break past by in order to trade bullish. Now failing to do so, look, NG has dropped significantly. However, remember one fact, it is still respected 2.4 levels. Now look at the early. See, lower highs are seen, lower lows are seen trying to trade in this channel. Any breakout, if you see it trading beyond 2.52, 2.52 itself is good, but then 2.55 is something which is a good buying, safe buying entry where you can expect it to reach 2.6 levels again. So you can buy at 2.52 levels today, and possibly beyond which you can expect little more rise till towards 2.55, 2.6, and beyond that further rise. Now see how beautifully on the hourly chart it is still respecting this bearish channel, and hence any breakout beyond 2.6 and 2.7 today, sustaining about 2.7 only, little more bullishness is confirmed. Directional movement is bearish here, stochastic dropping. The MACD willing to converge, crossover for a buy entry here. Right now it is still on the sell side. RSI flat, and if you look at 2-hour chart, now see on the 2-hour charts, very strong support exists here. It is trying to take the support and failing not to break below this. So I will recommend you to sell at 2.45 levels, below which you can expect 2.4, and below that only you can expect a good drop. So in between 2.45 and 2.52, largely saying 2.45 and 2.55, this $1 is going to remain crucial for NG today. Directional movement is bearish here, stochastic rising, MACD flat. MACD, you can say candles are flat and it is trying to converge here. This is a bullish sign. RSI trading flat. And if you look at 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts likewise, yes, it is showing a reversal sign here. Yes, if it trades beyond 2.52, we may see 2. See, first thing is 2.52, and beyond that 2.55 levels can be seen. A reversal sign is seen here. Possibly we can expect a rise. This is my expectation that NG may show you little rise. However, see, 2.52 is a good safe entry for you to buy. Now look, directional movement is bearish here, stochastic at bottom here. The MACD is bearish, however, see the candles have flattened. RSI is also trading flat there. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, now on the 4-hour chart, these two candles are minor retracement. Anytime if you see first, if you see it trading below 2.48, you can expect 2.46, 2.45 levels. Below 2.45, 2.44, and then below that. See, now even a zero point 0.1 move is significant for NG. Yes, you have to trail. You can sell at 2.48, but then be watchful of 2.45, 2.46 level, only below which we can expect little bearishness. But then see, 2.44, 2.4 is something which is going to be a good strong support zone. Now if you look at the 4-hour charts also, we can see higher lows are seen, lower highs are seen. It is still trying to consolidate in between these levels. Now see, directional movement is bearish, stochastic has dropped. The MACD has crossed over. This is divergent, this is bullish. And this crossover is happening again after a little while, and hence you have to be watchful here. RSI trading flat here. Now look at daily charts. Now see, on the daily charts, I have told you NG is trading in this channel. Very clear. At the same time, we have seen that NG is getting this support at 2.4. So first thing is it has failed to breach the channel. Second is it has failed to breach the support, and it is not looking to because see the downside space is increasing with time here, and the bottom of this channel is far away. Yesterday and day before it tried to breach this channel but failed to sustain. So first thing is, yes, you can buy 2.52, but then be watchful of 2.55, 2.6, and then 2.65 levels. If these three are taken, certainly we can expect that NG has reversed. It is going to fly past 2.8 also. Directional movement is still divergent in bearish. RSI is comfortable. The MACD is in green, trading with little divergence. RSI has come out of the oversold zone. Considering this, you can sell at 2.48, buy at 2.52. Below 2.48 till 2.44 levels, you have to be extremely cautious and vigilant, as it can reverse any point of time. On the upside, above 2.52 till 2.55 and 2.6 levels, you have to be cautious there. So in between, largely saying 2.4, 2.6 zone, you have to be watchful there. And yes, in fact 2.8 level, till the time it breaches, then only we can consider that it is reversed. Hence, trade with caution, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do press the bell icon. Do join my signals channel or my mentorship batch which makes you or helps you become a profitable and proficient trader. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.